How do I know what size tyres are on my caravan? Hi, I'm Christian from Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre, and we get hundreds of caravans coming through our door each year. And obviously caravans have tyres. Now customers want to know what size tyres they have. I don't need to tell you that. I'm more than happy to, but you can find that out yourself. And there's two ways to find those out. Firstly, you can have a look at your compliance plate. Now your compliance plate will have a heap of information on it, from the manufacturer of the caravan to the date it was built, and also what tyre size should be on your caravan. Another way to check is actually going to the tyre itself and looking in the sidewall of the caravan. On the sidewall of the caravan, it's going to have a couple of numbers there, which is going to determine what size wheels you have on your caravan and what size tyres they are. Now, for example, on the wheel, it may have something like a 235 75 R15. So from that information, it tells me it's a 15-inch tyre. 235 75 is the diameter of the actual wheel itself, or the tyre itself. So with that information,